The auto pitch feature is used to set and maintain the pitch of the vehicle. The button to activate auto pitch is located here. When activated, the icon will turn green. When deactivated, the icon will turn blue. Before activating auto pitch, the vehicle will need to be beneath the water's surface. Submerge the vehicle manually or use auto depth or auto altitude to maintain the vehicle beneath the water's surface. To activate auto pitch, simply press the icon with your finger by using the touchscreen or click the icon using the mouse cursor. When activated, you'll notice two white numbers appear inside the green box located on the left side of the heading bar. These two numbers are the auto pitch and auto roll set point values. To change the set point value of the vehicle's pitch, locate the pitch control buttons on the VideoRay hand controller. Press the pitch control button that has the image of the defender and up arrow to increase the pitch value. The value will increase by 5 degrees on each button press. Press the pitch control button that has the image of the defender with the down arrow to decrease the pitch value. To zero the set point value, press the pitch button furthest to the left. This will reset the pitch's set point value to 0. To change the set point value of the vehicle's pitch using the Xbox hand controller, press the Cycle Modes button to change the mode until pitch and roll is displayed. Press the Y button to increase the pitch's set point value. The value will increase by 5 degrees on each button press. Press the A button to decrease the set point's value. The value will decrease by 5 degrees on each button press. Press the right shoulder button to set the pitch's set point value to 0.